Hi, welcome to our next lesson, and today's lesson is about doing a detailed product analysis of your frame project. So these are the two things you'll need. You'll need some pencils and some crayons or felt tip pens, whatever you've got handy. The first task, I asked you to go around your house and find a frame that you liked. Not only the actual wooden part or the plastic or the metal part of the frame, whatever frame it is, but also the image inside the frame that you like the look of. So again, I don't have a printer, so I thought instead of going around my house, I'm going to look through a magazine again. So I've got this old magazine, and I found on this page here there was a frame. So I'm going to cut out this frame, but obviously if you've got a printer, you can take a photo of the frame you like in your house and print it and then stick it in. Or if you don't have a book, you don't have a magazine you can cut up or anything like that, just write the words product analysis in the middle of your page, and you can just remember you're thinking of the frame that you like the look of when you are doing your product analysis. So I'm going to stick that in the middle of my page. Okay. And I know you've all done product analysis before. We're going to do this one slightly differently, in that we are using this product. Instead of thinking about what we want our product to be like and analysing our ideas, we are going to analyse this design I found here. So you're going to get yourself a pen. Actually, I'm going to use some nice bright colours for this. And on the Firefly task, I've attached the document that we use when we're in school, to help you know what you need to write about on using Access FM. So what I would do first is write out all of the different Access FM points, so you know where they are going to go. And I probably will just do this in pencil, otherwise I might get it wrong. We're trying to make it look really nice as well, so maybe I could add just at the top here so I know what it is. Product and this. Okay, so that's what it is, and then I'm going to do a spider diagram all the way around the outside using the Access FM help sheet. So I'm just going to go for it, because otherwise I don't want to waste your time. So we're going to start over here with aesthetics. Okay, and using lots of colour. You know how much I like to use colour. Cost. Do I have enough colours? That is the question. Customer. Be careful, it might be going through onto the other page, so don't press too hard. You do not have to do it the way I am doing it. You can do it in list format if you want. I just quite like the spider diagram. I think it goes into my brain easier this way, but it's completely up to you. Trying to think what colours I haven't used. I don't know if I've used bright pink. Safety, function, and last one we'll go for a blue material. Okay, cool. And you could afterwards, I think it's easier to get those words down first, and then you can get the rest of the content down. You could use colours for this, or I'm just going to use a black pen for this, because hopefully it'll be a little bit quicker. I'm just checking the whole page is in the shot for you. Okay, so now I'm talking, when I think about the aesthetics, which is the first point, you're thinking about what this aesthetics is, okay? So not one that you want to do, the image that you've got stuck in the middle of your page. So the questions which are on the help sheet as well will help you with this. So aesthetic means what the product's going to look like, or what the product looks like. What colour is it? What shape is it? The texture, pattern, appearance, and the feel, the weight, and the style. So you've got loads of questions. I would like to see at least 3 different points. So if I start with this one, the colours are quite, I'd say, pale colours. It doesn't need to be an essay as well. We're a design subject, so actually using bullet points, however you want to do them, is actually a lot easier than me having to read the aesthetics will look like blah 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 blah. Okay, try and get to the point as quick as you can. So pale colours, watercolour, what else? Shape, rec, tangle. Sorry about my spelling. Rectangle, texture, pattern, appearance. Okay, so you could add that it's got a white border. Okay, so it's just basically describing what this looks like. We could add more water, feature. Okay, so I've just described what the actual product looks like. Cost. Now you might be able to ask your parents how much it cost. I have no idea. I don't know if it even said. I think it was just an advert in the magazine. But I'm gonna estimate that was about £300. How much does the product cost to buy? How much how much does it cost to make? So if I was to have to make this frame, how much does it cost to make? So I'm going to write cost to make. And what I want you to do here is list all the things that cost money, because you don't necessarily know how much all of the materials and stuff cost at school. So I want you to list things that cost money when you are making this frame. So the paper would cost money, the card, the wooden frame material, sandpaper to sand it down. Let's add some more, the paint. What else can we say? Time. Okay, you could go on and on and on and on. You can write as many as you can think of down for the cost. Customer. So who will this product be for? I want you to be list the same thing, at least 3 points. I know I've only got 2 there, but there's lots of subheadings there. So as much as you can think of about who would want to buy this painting. So I would say it's maybe for an older generation. Okay. Pastel colours would be their favourite. That's what I mean by that. Where do you think they'll use it? Who will use your product? What is the age, gender? I think it works for both genders. So I'm trying to read it from far away. Genders. Dislikes, and so they like watercolors. Dislike bright colors. Okay, so there we go. I have done 3 of the Access FM help sheet points. I would like you to continue around your spider diagram or bullet point lists, however you've decided to do it, and go through each of these different sections and writing in the answers for your frame that you have done. You can, once you finish the actual written part, that's when the fun bit starts, because then you can start making it look nice with nice arrows. However you want it to look, it's completely up to you. Oh, last one. There we go. So you can do it however you like. Just get a little bit creative with it. Make sure there's a title somewhere. Product analysis. Now looking about it, it might have been better up there. I don't know. However you want to do it. And then please don't forget to post your product analysis to the Firefly task when you've finished. I hope you have fun, and yeah, look forward to seeing them. Thanks. Bye.